Hello everyone, welcome to the first video of the series, Salesforce Reporting. In this video we are diving into something super important, building reports into Salesforce Lightning Experience. So let's understand why reporting is important. Reporting is important because it gives you a powerful insight into your Salesforce data, helping you make data-driven decisions. So, in this video, you will learn how to create a report, how to apply filters, how to group data, and how to visualize the report. So, let's dive in. So, before proceeding ahead in the video, let's take a problem statement with which we will proceed in this video. Imagine you work for an online learning platform, EduPro Academy. You need to analyze student enrollment, revenue, and course popularity. Our goal would be we'll create a course enrollment report to track total enrollments, revenue per course, instructor performance. To do this, we'll use a custom object called course enrollment with the following fields. To follow along with the video, you can create this custom object and related fields, or you can just watch the video till end. A very important tip, make sure you enable allow reports while creating the custom object. Now, the step number 1 is creating a report. Navigate to the Reports tab by clicking on App Launcher by searching Reports. Click New Reports in the top right corner. Choose a report type. Select Course Enrollment, our custom object. Now, let's customize our report. Step 2. Adding and removing columns. Let's keep our report clean and focused. Add this necessary field for our project: student name, course name, instructor name, course fee, and payment status. Remove any unnecessary column by clicking on this cross icon. Now our report only shows the most relevant data. Step 3. Grouping and summarizing data. Grouping and summarizing makes report more insightful. So let's group the table by course name. By this we will get to see the details of each course and their revenue. Now let's summarize the data. If you click on course fee, you will see it is already summarizing the data by default with the sum. Now we can see total revenue per course. Step 4. Applying filters. Click on this filter icon. Applying this filter. Status as completed. Payment status as paid. And enrollment date would be the last 6 months. Here I am selecting enrollment date as less than 1st September of 2024. We can add the enrollment date in the columns to see enrollment date of each student. Now we only see enrollment date that were completed and paid in the last 6 months. Step 5. Adding a chart for visualization. Let's make our data more visual. Click on this chart icon. You can see how each course is performing by their revenue. You can click on this gear icon to customize the chart. Let's select this chart type as bar chart, and you can see course name versus revenue this chart. Now we have a clear view of which courses are generating the most revenue. At the end, you can save and run the report, give a meaningful name, and our report is ready. And that's it. You have just created a powerful Salesforce report. For now, I am leaving one problem statement with you also and will give the CSV data in the description of this video. Problem statement is like this. You are a sales analyst at EduPro Academy. Your manager asks you to generate a report showing total revenue per instructor for the last 6 months, including only completed and paid enrollment. Your challenges are the following. You can also try adding more filters, groups, or charts to explore different insights. Let me know in the comments what type of reports you want to see next. At the end, if you find this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future Salesforce tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.